Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a quick video on the Dinan Sport app that comes along with the Dinan Dynatronics Sport Performance Tuner. I did a video on the install of the tuner last week, so you can see that video in the link up here in the upper right hand corner. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through the app real quickly and show you some of the features of the app and how you can use it. It's not really complicated, but I just wanted to make this quick video because I forgot to include it in the video that I did last week. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please click like on the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's jump right into it. But this should be a really quick video, so let's hop to it. All right guys, so in order to use the app, you need your phone. And I already went to the Apple iTunes store and I had downloaded the app. It's called the Dinan Sport app. So what I'm gonna do now is my car is on, I'm gonna turn on the car. Turn off the AC and all that stuff. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to launch the app. What the app does is it starts up and it's going to try to see if it can find the module, and it did find the module. And right away you can see on screen that the app shows my current setting is Sport Plus for the Dynatronics Sport Tuner module. So starting from the top, it shows the model of the module. So it shows the Dynatronics Sport and it shows the different chassis that it works with. So it shows it's for the BMW N20, N26 and N55 modules. It works with 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, X1, X3, X5 BMWs from 2011 to 2019. So this car is the N55i. It's a 2016 535i. So it shows the model across the top, then there's a disconnect button. So if you want, you can disconnect from the unit. In the current setting, it shows the max boost that it would deliver is 2 PSIs. So I'm in Sport Plus. If I go to Sport, it shows that it would deliver 1 PSI with a max of 2. In stock, it will not deliver any boost. And in valet mode, it actually retards the amount of boost that your turbo delivers to the car, so it reduces it by 4.2 PSIs. If I were to click on the race, you get a pop-up saying that although you can use it with 91 octane fuel, you get best performance by using a 93 octane fuel on the car. And then in that mode, the max boost you can get is 2.6 PSIs. And then you can lock those settings in. So you click the little slider off to the right and it locks it in, so I can't change the mode. If I unlock it, I can go back to my original setting and I can lock it in and it just stays on that. So for Sport Plus, it delivers boost 1.6. Why did it say that? Let me see. I thought it was 2. Okay. Yeah. So it seems to be changing around. All right, so I am in Sport Plus. Then I lock it. That's kind of weird, because if I lock it in Sport Plus, the number seems to change. It's kind of funny. But that's the basic features of this. So if I were to disconnect, it takes you back to this main screen and it should show the unit. And if I just wanted to go back in, I can just click on Dinan Sport and it takes me back to that screen that we were looking at. And yeah, that's it. And if I say stop scanning, it would stop trying to find the module. But that's about it, guys. That's all the features that this Dinan Sport app delivers for the Dinan Dynatronics Sport Performance Tuner. Click like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.